Good afternoon, all. Yesterday we started our lesson 1 who did Patrick's homework. So, in previous class we learned that Patrick is a boy. He always disliked doing his homework. He finds it boring, and instead of doing his homework, he used to play basketball and football and some video games. His teachers were fed up with him, and one day he was surprised to see his cat playing with a little doll. But he later found it was not a doll but a tiny man wearing a woolen shirt with a old fashioned trouser and a high tall hat. Okay. The man told Patrick to save him from the cat, and the tiny man promised to fulfill Patrick's wish. If he saves him, Patrick became happy because the tiny man was the solution of his problem. Actually, what was his problem? His problem was all the homework. Doing his homework was the biggest problem for the Patrick. He asked the tiny man to do the homework till the end of the semester. His semester ends after 35 days. Okay. The man started doing his homework. Actually, tiny man did not like to do the homework. Actually, he didn't know what is the homework. Once he started the homework, the elf was annoyed. He started doing the Patrick's homework, but he faced difficulties. He did not know what to do and needed Patrick's help also. He asked for a dictionary and later told Patrick to find the meaning of a word. Okay, let me continue. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf already shouted, just to go louder. Go to library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. Okay? Similarly, the tiny man find it difficulties to solve the mathematical problem also. Mathematical problem. He finds it hard to do addition, subtraction, division and fraction because he didn't know what is the mathematics subjects, nothing he didn't know. So, he also does not have any idea about human history and find it mysterious. Mysterious means very, very secret, means it is there is an entire different life of elf and humans, that's why. Okay, so the tiny man got irritated and ordered to Patrick to visit a library. As he needed more and more books, the man has become a trouble for Patrick and kept on complaining about one or the other things. Always he was complaining, bring that book, bring this book, I don't know anything, I will help. If you want to help me, you can bring the books more and more from the library. Okay. Then, as a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than even ever, and was it a drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. As a matter of fact, every day and in every way, that little elf was a nag. Nag means was one who troubled someone all the time by complaining for asking them to do something. Okay. So, and drag means something dull and uninteresting. Means not showing interest. So, he was staying, the elf was irritating to him, and he was staying up nights, late night also he was doing his homework, had never felt so weary. Weary means tired. Weary means tired, was going to school with eyes puffed and blurry. He did not get a proper sleep, and he was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Blurry means unable to see clearly. Blur means unable to see clearly. Okay. Finally, the last day of the school arrived, and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Finally, the day came. Finally, the day came. The last day of the school arrived, and the elf was free to go. The elf was free to go because Patrick's all the homeworks completed. So, as for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Slyly means secretively, means without any permission, without any consent of Patrick, he went out from there. Okay. Patrick got A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Model kid means what? Model kid? Model kid. Okay, model kid means a child which is very good. Good for everything. Now the model kid cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he would made that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It was in the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Patrick had done it himself. Okay. So, finally the last day of school arrived, and according to the agreement, the tiny man could go to place. There was no homework left. Everything was done. So, the tiny man was free. Everybody was surprised as Patrick got A in all the subjects. The teachers were happy and appreciated Patrick's efforts. His parents could not believe what has happened. What has happened to Patrick? They were shocked. People witnessed a sea change. People witnessed a very big change in Patrick's behavior. He became a model child as he started cleaning the room. He became a model child. So he started cleaning his room, did other work, and was cheerful also. He was not rude to anybody. Rude means rough. Rude means rough. He was not rough to anybody. Patrick thought that the tiny man was responsible for this change. Actually, Patrick thought that the tiny man was responsible for his big change, but he thought that the man did all these things for him. He thought that the tiny man did all these things for him. He did not understand that he himself did everything. Actually, who has done the homeworks? Actually, the elf was don't know. Elf didn't know anything. Everything was done by Patrick. He was bringing the book from the library, and he searched all the word meaning in the dictionary, and he worked hard. That's why he got yes. Okay.